Let's talk about the value of a dollar. What is the value of a dollar, the value of a cryptocurrency, the value of any fiat currency comparatively? I'd like to hear your thoughts. I'll tell you mine. Stick around. Hey YouTube, it's your girl, The Real Teddy Talks, educating you every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday on entrepreneurship, your hustle and your grind, and building generational wealth. And on this wealth building series, let's talk about the value of a dollar, or let's talk about the value of currency. Whatever that currency may be, whether it's fiat, so that's your US dollar, your British pound, your euro, your yen, your won, your whatever, your peso, whatever that fiat is. And let's talk about cryptocurrency, your Bitcoins, Ethereums, Cardanos, your Binance, your Anchor, your whatever, right? Let's talk about all of those comparatively. And I would venture to say a dollar or any currency is worth, number one, what the government says it's worth, because that's the legal tender for that municipality or that province or that state or country or governance, right? So whatever they say it's worth, that's part of it. But more so is what it can buy you. So if $10 can buy me 5 loaves of bread, then that is what that $10 is worth, 5 loaves of bread. And if at some point that $10 can only buy me 2 loaves of bread, then that same $10 is worth less. It can buy me less buying power, right? If I have a cryptocurrency and I have one coin, we'll call it blank coin. So if I have one blank coin and the blank coin can buy me 10 loaves of bread in my country, then that's what that coin is worth. And I would say that blank coin could be equivalent to 10 US dollars because they can buy me the same thing. But in another country, that one blank coin can only buy me 2 loaves of bread. So the same currency in 2 different locations, 2 different economies, buys me different things. And that is the value of money. It has nothing to do with its intrinsic value. It has nothing to do with if it's backed by gold or not. It's worth what it can buy you, the buying power. I like to use the example of ethnic communities within the United States. I like to use Chinatown. And there's Chinatowns all over in various states and various cities around the US. And the reason I use this example is a thriving Chinatown is a productive community. Within a good Chinatown, they have schools, they have hospitals and clinics, they have stores, grocery stores, hardware stores. They have their own transportation. They have their own police. And although these systems may feed off of the public system, within that town, they have a lot of their own stuff. And I say that because if in a Chinatown, for example, they wanted to come up with their own currency and call it the Chinatown dollar or whatever, and spend it at their dry cleaners, at their grocery stores, hardware stores, clinics, whatever, if they established that within their borders of that town, and the vendors started to take that as currency, take that as legal tender, and provide services in kind for that money, then that money that was printed at some copy shop is now worth something in that town. Now, can you take that Chinatown dollar outside of that town and spend it? No, it would have no value. But within that town, it's valuable. And just like coupons, a company can print a coupon that has some kind of legal value that you can use in exchange for a service or a good with that company or subsidiaries of that company. So that coupon now has some value. A gift card that you get from Macy's can have value if they tell you it has value. You type in the coupon code and you got your $10 off of your purchase. So that is currency. Cryptocurrency is no different. If the cryptocurrency can buy me what I need or what I want, at what I consider to be a good value, then it's valuable. And that's how you have to look at it. That's how you have to see the value of currency. And this makes cryptocurrency special because people that think it's not valuable or worried because it's not backed on anything solid like gold or an institution or a company that has its prospectuses and all of its market research and all of its numbers, I would beg to differ. Because if that cryptocurrency can buy me a Tesla, before Elon cut that off, or if that cryptocurrency can buy my groceries, or if I can shop and buy things off of PayPal with it, then it has value and it's valuable. And it's valuable to me and what I need. And there's market flux, there's inflation, there's devaluation. All of these things happen with a widely accepted currency. And it can happen with cryptocurrency. So don't let fear, uncertainty, and doom, and don't let the naysayers or the experts tell you what something is worth, because it's only worth what it can buy you. And if it can buy you what you need, then it has value. That's all I got for you today. Invest in yourself 1% a day and reach your exponential greatness. This is The Real Teddy Talks, signing off.
The Real Teddy Talks.